Currently on the screen is another look at Hurricane Irma's life so far. The eye of Irma is passing just north of Great Inagwai Island. Apology for the pronunciations. Welcome to another update from the Force 13. Location of this severe hurricane is 21.5 degrees north, 73.3 degrees west, about 20 miles north of Great Inagwai Island, about 535 miles east-southeast of Miami Beach. Maximum sustained winds 160 miles per hour, tracking west-northwest 16 miles per hour, central pressure 925. Storm surge warning is in effect for Jupiter Inlet southward around the Florida Peninsula to Bonita Beach and the Florida Keys. Storm surge watch is in effect for north of Jupiter Inlet to Sebastian Inlet, north of Bonita Beach to Venice. Hurricane warning is in effect for Jupiter Inlet southward around the Florida Peninsula to Bonita Beach, Florida Keys, Lake Okeechobee, Florida Bay, Haiti from the northern border with the Dominican Republic to Les Moles, St. Nicholas, southeastern Bahamas, the Turks, the Caicos Islands, Cuban provinces, central Bahamas, northwestern Bahamas, and a hurricane watch remains in effect for north of Jupiter Inlet to Sebastian Inlet, north of Bonita Beach to Anna Maria Island, Cuban provinces of Guantanamo, Holguin, Las Tunas, Matanzas, and a tropical storm warning is in effect for Haiti from south of Les Moles, St. Nicholas to Port-au-Prince and Cuban provinces. Now this is a look at the NHC rainfall across the forecast period. And you can see the area under a hurricane warning. Early reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds. A look at the latest tracks on Irma. This information available on the Tropical Tidbits website. The model intensity guidance on Hurricane Irma. Now we have a look at storm surge, which I captured a couple of hours ago, and the graph is at the bottom of the screen. This information is also available on the National Hurricane Center's website. My thoughts remain with the people in Irma's path, and unfortunately she's not finished yet. Force 13 will continue to bring updated information. we will bring the latest information on the system over there in the Gulf of Mexico. 850 millibar vorticity, and you can clearly see the three systems. And my thoughts from a personal position go out to the people that were severely impacted by that massive earthquake a few hours ago. The latest wind shear. And wind shear is not an issue for Irma, possibly for Osei. Shear tendency, tropical systems. I love the area in blue and green. And wind shear could be an issue for, I think it's Katia over there in the Gulf of Mexico. And this is the upper level of divergence, and the wind is very strong, up to 40 knots across the two systems, Irma and Osei. Now this is a look at the 500 millibar vorticity. Now we have a look at Hurricane Osei. Osei's track in HC, and it's going to be touch and go whether the system impacts the northern Leeward Islands. A 3-day and a 5-day outlook. Tropical storm force, wind speed probabilities, and you can see the two systems, Irma and Osei. This information is also available on the NHC's website. Now 50 knots or 58 miles per hour wind speed probabilities. And another look out to 120 hours. Now, sea surface temperature for both systems remains in the high 20s, the 31 Celsius, and this is the latest position on Osei. Now this is a look at Osea so far. The various floaters on the system. Osea's tracks. When viewing the models of tracks, caution needs to be applied as the information does change. And looking at these tracks, what does one say? And Osea's model intensity guidance. And one can say an impressive eye.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.